Flod is coming. I repeat, the Flod is coming. It's 3 stages. 1, it might look like a normal person, but if you had sharp teeth poking out, then step away as slow as possible and don't make eye contact with it. 2, it will stare into your soul. If you see it, do it. Run as fast as you can and hide. 3, if it looks at you out the window, slowly go out of the room and come back in. If you have any details where you've seen it, please contact 911. That's all for now. So thanks for your time and good night.